now everything from our flow meters are now going into one line, correct?
Yes.
So we've gone through it, these are our flow this one flow meter here, two flow meters here, two flow meters here, and now we're going into
The,
Gas outlet?
common gas outlet. So we're just going to
how to
bring,
be private?
Oh, yeah.
yeah, we're gonna go there, but let me just bring everything into the middle. It'll make it easier, right?
Yeah.
Okay, everything's now mixing together, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you're going
That's
to,
when they, there's an
Yeah,
exit from the actual dials, right? It's like an escape
They
valve.
all converge together.
they all converge together.
In the
Now,
flow meters.
now this is an important
In the back
concept too,
somewhere, right?
because he's definitely gonna ask this. This is why oxygen is to the right of all the other gases, okay? Exactly. Right, so now you have your flow meters.
They can make it look like this, right?
Yeah, you're
so
good
if
drawer.
there's a leakage
Yep.
down.
So this would be air,
Uh-huh.
and this would be NO2. This would be O2.
Always to the right.
Always to the right, so it's closest to the patient. Because God forbid this was to the right, then you'd be giving this closest to the patient.
We'll finish drawing it out. Yeah. And draw this all the way out so it
So
looks
they're
like a
gonna
pipe.
all go together
Mhm.
to one line.
Okay.
Okay.
Then that will
These
go.
are your flow meters.
Yeah.
These are glass, what you're seeing here, okay?
So
These
they
are your
get
flow
enough room.
meters. Now you can't, like,
Can't
there's
see it.
clear plastic on the outside of it and glass on the inside of it that expands up. If there's a crack in that, it's gonna be very hard to see,
Mm-hmm.
okay? So what they're saying is if you have a crack, say, in your nitrogen flow meter, right here, okay? You're gonna have some nitrogen that gets to the system, and you're gonna have some nitrogen that leaves. But if your O2 was on this side of the nitrogen, you have a chance that your O2 is gonna leave out of there too. And you don't want that.
Okay.
That's
now
why
I
you want your O2
understand. Okay.
always on the right-hand side, because everything is
It would
flowing to
leak.
the right. If there are leaks in either of these two, it's not gonna affect the oxygen. Okay? There can be a leak in the oxygen,
It still is gonna be.
but it's
that's
still, some oxygen's gonna get to the system. But it's more important that you're not having O2 before either of these in the system. And older systems used to have that. So that's why you'll see on all the anesthesia machines, oxygen's gonna be on the right-hand side.
Can I erase?
I never understood that before. Oh my God.
This is actually a good, show him that, good picture of